dear students, and welcome to the new lesson. So in the last lesson we have studied about the unformatted input functions, and now in this lesson we are going to learn about the unformatted output functions. So actually all these unformatted output function works on the character data type. यानी जितने भी आउटपुट फंक्शंस है, अनफॉर्मेटेड आउटपुट फंक्शंस है, वो सिर्फ कैरेक्टर डेटा टाइप पे काम करते हैं. दैट मीन्स ओनली अ कैरेक्टर कैन बी डिस्प्लेड using this unformatted output functions. So C provides these following unformatted output functions, which are put char function, put ch function, and the put s function. And these names are very user friendly, which tells its यूज ऑल्सो. इन्हें नाम ही बताते हैं कि वो क्या करता है. सो पुट कैर, दैट मीन्स दिस फंक्शन विल डिस्प्ले, पुट मीन्स डिस्प्ले अ सिंगल कैरेक्टर ऑन द स्क्रीन. So that means this putchar function is used to display a single character on the screen. Similarly, this putch function is also used to display a single character on the screen. यानी दोनों भी फंक्शन जो है वो सिंगल कैरेक्टर स्क्रीन पे डिस्प्ले करते हैं. And the next function, which is the put s function, which stands for put a string, s for string. So that means this function is used to display a string on the screen. So I think you now know the difference between, what is the difference between string and a character. So character means a single character and string means the number of characters. It is the combination of characters means the string. So hence this putS function is used to display a string on the screen. And these are the general format of these functions are as follows. So firstly, this is the format for putchar function. So here in this function, putchar is the function name, and in bracket there can be a character variable or the character constant. यानी आप जो भी डिस्प्ले करना चाहते हो, कोई कैरेक्टर कांस्टेंट, सिंगल कैरेक्टर कांस्टेंट अगर डिस्प्ले करना है तो कैरेक्टर कांस्टेंट आप यहाँ पे ले सकते हो, या फिर किसी कैरेक्टर वेरिएबल का नाम भी ले सकते हो. सो सेम इज विद द पुट सी एच फंक्शन, सेम वही काम है पुट सी एच फंक्शन का. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज पुट एस फंक्शन, वेयर arguments can be, in brackets you can write the string constant or string variable. So till now we don't know actually what is the string variable is. जब हम सामने string पढ़ेंगे तब हम जाके string variable को पढ़ने वाले हैं. So अभी के लिए हमको देखना है how to put a single string constant. एक स्ट्रिंग अगर आपको स्क्रीन पे डिस्प्ले करना है तो हम पुटस कैसे यूज करेंगे. सो लेट अस सी ऑल दिस फंक्शंस विद द प्रैक्टिकल. So see, this is the simple program for illustration of this putch, putchar and the putS function. So this is a simple program where a character variable ch is declared and it is initialized with the single character, that is the hash. So ch character variable है और उसकी वैल्यू है हैश. एक ही कैरेक्टर आप कैरेक्टर वेरिएबल में स्टोर कर सकते हो. सो सिंगल कैरेक्टर इज स्टोर्ड इन ch. With this put ch in bracket ch. So value of ch, here in put ch I have used a variable. So therefore whatever value in that variable will be displayed. That means with this put ch hash will be displayed. Then in the next line here, the next statement here is put ch, again a single, this is a single character constant which is called as the backslash character constant, जो कि हमने printf में पढ़ा है, that is the backslash n. So we know that with this backslash n control will be on the next line. So that means in this put ch, here I have used the character constant and here I have used the character variable. So consider the next statement here. So with this putchar function, this is, I have here also I have used a single character constant. This is a single character constant. That means whatever included in single quote marks will be displayed on the screen. That means dollar will be displayed with putchar function. So that means here output will be in on the first line, this hash will be displayed, then control will go to the next line, with this dollar will be displayed, and with this put s function. So we know that now put s function is used to display a string on the screen. यानी डबल कोटेशन में यहाँ पे स्ट्रिंग कांस्टेंट यूज किया है. सो जो भी स्ट्रिंग डबल कोटेशन में है जैसे कि वैसे स्क्रीन पे डिस्प्ले होंगी. So let us see the output of this program. So see here. On the first line, hash is displayed with this put ch. Then with this put ch backslash n. Control will be on next line. Control next line पे आ गया. Then with this putchar function, dollar will be displayed, and with this puts function, this complete string is displayed on the screen. So this is how all the single character or the unformatted output function works with the character only. So this is all for now. In the next lesson, we will be coming up with new learnings. Thank you.